Alrighty, y'all, I'm going to swap out the wheels. As you can see, I've already got one staged up over there. We'll go ahead and get started on that right now. All right, we got super good pads. Nope. So definitely got a bad axle on this side. Never been replaced. It is shot. But otherwise, it's in good condition. What are we hitting? No! Alrighty, well, we hit right there. I could have swore other people put Doritos on their SVXs. That's not going to work at all, guys. This is hilarious to me. So, I freaking love this fitment. Obviously, we're on a hill, so it's at a bit of an angle. But it don't tuck in nearly as much as that. I love how much it sticks out. Problem is, wrong lug nuts. Those are stock SVX lug nuts, and they do not sit properly on those wheels. I'm clearly not going to drive this car on those. He's a little wee guy. He's a little wee little guy. Look at him. He's so cute. He's like a little wiener dog compared to the size of this Doberman or Pitbull. Look at the little guy. This is why you don't order off of Amazon, guys. Don't believe it. It says it fits your vehicle. It don't. Even with the little condom that will definitely not prevent fuel pump pregnancies. But still significantly smaller. I could technically try this one. It says it's the same CFM as the original. I'm going to call some baloney on that because by golly, I'm not making a sandwich. I'm trying to get a car to run. On the positive, even though it doesn't matter because the dang thing don't run, at least I can enjoy looking at it because I got the right lug nuts to match those Mustang wheels over there. I also got the dreaded wheel spacers. I'm only doing the fronts and I'm going to see how they look. It's a 5/16 wheel spacer. These are not permanent, these are temporary. I have been waiting a little while on these parts to come in, and I wasn't expecting this little wee guy, this little babe. So cute. Wasn't expecting him to come in so small. So that's my bad. Ladies and gentlemen, what am I forgetting? About did some work without my nuts. Ooh. Well. Son of a... Frustrated because about everywhere I read, obviously the internet is full of not everything, but pretty much everything I read said that these wheels should fit as 15s on this car. This car came with 16s, I know that, but multiple people have put Doritos on these cars. Apparently this specific style of Doritos, because it has just the two with the holes through, has a taper on the inside that I'm running into. And I'm very frustrated by this. I don't know what my next step is yet, guys, because I don't know how well y'all can see this. This has just got a flat back to it. Which means that if I was to get the spacers with the studs, I could not put these wheels on with those. I'm pretty much down to where the only option I've got is, if I'm keeping these Doritos, I've got to sand down that brake caliper. That's probably what was done before, and I just missed that step. That's the super hacky way. And considering the immaculate condition of the vehicle, I might just do the super hacky way. Super hacky way is not going to happen today. I've got some other things to do. It's been a ridiculously busy couple of weeks for me at work, and it ain't getting easier. So this is just going to be the fail video. How about that? I like fail videos. Do you guys like fail videos? They start with an F and they get you drunk with that ale. Alrighty, y'all. So there is a reason the back ones do fit and these don't. These have a lot meatier front caliper, the dual piston, versus the rear has a single piston. The biggest issue is where I'm hitting is here. Back here, not an issue. I know that's got a full raised up section. So if I'm going to do it, I'd have to come in here, especially right here, shave this portion down flat. Now that's not going to come into any, cause any actual harm there. I'm talking about cutting 1/4 inch down probably. Alright, y'all. So update on the Revival SVX here is that there is no update. I've attempted to put on the Dorito wheels. Fail. I got the right lug nuts. I'm going to knock those over onto that other wheel. But the fronts still are having clearance issues with that caliper. And I'll be honest that it's been about a week and a half since the last video I've done for this car. I know I'm wiggling it. There's no wheel on it, but it's fine. It's pretty safe. Definitely not going to Radwood with this. There's no way I'm going to be able to get a replacement unless I pay out the buttocks. I'm going to get a replacement fuel pump for that little guy. I'm still going to see if that one's salvageable. Not today. I've got things to do, but I just don't think that I don't think this little guy right here is going to do it, because he's just, it's humorous how small this is in comparison. Hopefully y'all can see, that. Come on, what is this thing, a Yugo? Alrighty, everyone. appreciate you watching, everybody who is subscribed. And this is the end of the Dorito fail video. These were not Cool Ranch. These were definitely spicy nacho. So like, share, subscribe. Comment on the video if you think I'm a dum-dum for trying all the things I tried. But for now, I'm going to sign off. Y'all have a good evening.